नमस्ते। गर्व से कहो हम हिंदू है। My name is Madhukar Vasudev Gore. I am living in Kerala. I had made 4 or 5 videos in Malayalam about Sanatana Dharma and the need for us to protect it for our own benefit and the benefit of the next generations to come. So a few people who could not follow Malayalam properly, they asked me to make one video in English. That's why I am doing this English video. So गर्व से कहो हम हिंदू है. What is there for us Hindus to be proud of? So many negative things are hurled on us, that we are not tolerant, not secular. We worship so many gods, idol worships, so many things. Now let me tell you in the very beginning. Let us stop listening to others. Let us learn about ourselves, our greatness. Our religion was not created by anyone. No prophet, no sons of God, no single acharya, no one guru. For the last at least 60,000 years, this religion which we now call Hindu religion, actually there is no Hindu religion. It's a way of life, it's a tradition, it's a culture, it is so many things, but not a religion. It has been flowing with ups and downs, but never marketed, never intolerant, but not defending enough. Yes, that is our fault, because we are so tolerant. We accepted everybody, all religions, all foreigners, and they have not treated us kindly or with justice, because they are all believers in their own one God. Just God, no basis, no rationale, no proof, no tolerance. Hindus are the only people in the whole world who are tolerant and secular. Muslims and Christians, you mark my words, they are the most intolerant and most non-secular, and they are teaching us to be secular. We have been brainwashed to think that when we say Hinduism or we must protect Hinduism, we are being non-secular, and when we point out the atrocities of Christianity and Islam on the humanity, not only Hindus. Now what the Christians have done to the Africans, Red Indians, I need not explain. Hitler, who killed 60 lakh Jews, was a Catholic or a Christian. I think he was a Catholic. And the Muslim terrorist groups from the very inception of Islam, their history is a history of bloodshed. The latest, I'll tell you, they forced India to be cut into 3. one West Pakistan and one East Pakistan. Now it is Bangladesh, East Pakistan. Hindus were about 25 to 30% in both the places, 65 to 70% Muslims. Now, there Hindus are only 2%. I will not describe the atrocities committed on the so-called minority Hindus of Pakistan, West Pakistan and East Pakistan. You must be knowing all those things. Only thing is you are reluctant to say it aloud. That is the mistake we have committed. So this video is only an eye opener. You know it, but your eyes are closed. About 1,500 years of slavery has put that into our DNA, that we are something inferior. That's why in our history books, the stories of the invaders from Mongolia and Afghanistan, that is glorified. We have to learn, our children have to learn. Aurangzeb and Akbar and Humayun and all those. What about our Chandragupta Maurya? What about our Ashoka? What about the Cheras, the Cholas, the Pandyas? One paragraph maybe. And anything to be proud of? No. Alexander, the butcher, he was named Alexander the Great, and he defeated Purushottam. Even Purushottam's name is not pronounced correctly, it is Porus. He did a non-dharmic war, came from behind and defeated Purushottam. Nobody gives it any importance. We were obeying this Dharma Yuddha. Nobody is taught about that. What Dharma Yuddha? So, we think they are clever. We are fools. From 1947 onwards, our education ministers were Muslims. Our rulers were the secular Congress. They didn't care about our real history. They cared only about the vote bank politics. So we have come to this rut. Self-depreciation. Now it is time we stand. We learn about ourselves, our glorious past and the glorious present also. It is not that we are good only thousands of years ago. Even now we are good. Everybody knows Mother Teresa and Father Damien. They worked for the lepers. What about Baba Amte of Maharashtra? He was a lawyer. He went to Gadchiroli. Now it is a Naxal infected area. Deep inside the forest, in a village. He made a small ashram there and started caring for the lepers. After he married, his wife also went there. They had 2 sons. Both of them he sent to Bombay to become doctors, MBBS doctors. They also went back to that leper infested area. Its name is Anand 1 and Hemal Khalsa. I went there. A group about 5 years ago, we stayed in that leprosy village. The work done by this one family, there are no words to describe. MBBS doctors, their wives also. We ate The food made by leprosy, not leprosy patient, they were cured people. They had no leprosy at that time, present time. But some people had distorted noses, distorted ears, some people had distorted fingers. But the atmosphere there was such of great kindness and humanity. We didn't feel any aversion to be with them, to eat with them. Was Baba Amte ever appreciated in this country, our government? He was not given a Bharat Ratna. Mother Teresa was given. Mother Teresa had ulterior motives. Conversion of Hindus to Christianity. I had read a long time ago one article in Indian Express written by a French national, Germaine Greer or something. I have forgotten the name. I think she may be in the Google, internet. You can find. She had said this. Mother Teresa had no love for the poor. She wanted poor people to be poor. She wanted them to be lepers, so that she can be glorified in their work and convert them into Christianity. That is what she had written. Whatever it may be. Greater work has been done by an Indian family. How many Indians, how many of you know about Baba Amte, his son Prakash Amte? You do not know. That's our fault. So I had coined a phrase, Hindus must be alert and aggressive. This is a time for them to be alert and aggressive. So don't get attracted to either Christianity or Islam, because there is no difference, there is nothing great. Just because they pray to one God, they are not a better people. They are as good or as bad as us who pray to 33 crore gods. There are murderers, robbers, pickpockets, and all types of criminals who are Christians and who are Muslims also as Hindus. They get all diseases, including cancer, heart problem. You go to any hospital, most of the patients are Muslims. So what I am saying is, they are no better in any way than us. Then why our young people say we are not rational, we are idol worshippers? What is wrong? We worship the idols not as God. It's a stepping stone to know God. This is the first lesson children should learn about idol worship. I will make another video in detail about our idea of God, creation, etc. etc. We will meet again, hopefully. गर्व से कहो हम हिंदू हैं.